Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss use effect hook in the WordPress Gutenberg block. So as we know, in the React we use two parameter, first is setup and second is dependency. So in this tutorial we will learn about how can do without how this use effect use effect hook come with without dependency, and what happen when run only once, what happen on run on once dependency, and with multiple dependency, and in the last we will discuss how can fetch data from API inside use effect. So in the first step we will go to editor, and then run in the terminal and run this npx boilerplate command. So at here I already run this command, and I already created this block, and after run complete command, you can get this option inside add-on inside plugin section, and then click on activate. In the second step, go to your editor and you can see block.json, but at here we are not using attribute etc, so we do not want to alter this option at here. So now I am going at here inside, copy this code and run inside edit.js. So go to edit.js and okay, and at here copy this code to the top, and at here I just I just use this state hook and with count, set count etc, and use effect hook. Inside that I do not pass anything. So now I am running my npm run world command. You can run npm run start, so that whenever we change it can reflect to you. npm run world command, okay, and I already I again and again run npm run world because it do not hang my system. Now go at here, and then you can see this option is coming, count and increase. So whenever I am clicking at here, it re-render our editor code, and it again and again use my use effect. At here you can see there is no dependency, so it is you calling again and again, and whenever we click on increase, then it re-render call edit function again and again, and so it call all of the code. So and in the second run only once means empty dependency. So like when forget empty dependency, we just use empty at here, and then run npm run world. Now at here Now it is when our block mounted, then it run block rendered or updated. And when I click on increase, then it is increasing my state, but it is not re-render again, means our use effect is not calling again and again. So have you ever wondered your code run multiple times or only once when building block? Let's see how dependency in use effect actual control this. So I already told you that it is second parameter at here. So now we are talking about this. So like when we click on increase, then this this will render, means use effect will render again. So for that I am using another state like name state const and name, and inside that at here I am using button, so that I can update name, and at here I also show name, current name. Okay, now I am using this like whenever our count change, only count change, then this use effect reflect. So again go to npm run build. Now at here two button is there, update name and increase. Whenever I update name, then it update name, and but do not re-render again, because we do not pass at here only one dependency count. So when we click on increase, then it is re-rendering again, like it is 12, now it is 13. So 13 times it use effect code inside use effect will call again and again. So if we want to run multiple dependency, then we should pass as comma like name. So again npm run build, and at here go. Now click on increase, yeah, it is rendering, and now it is 7 times re-render, and click on update name, yeah, it is also rendering. Okay, but it is not reflecting again, because our code is already changed, because our state is not changing of name. Okay, and we talk about multiple dependency. Now now we will talk how can get API data inside use effect. So many times we want to fetch data from API, so in the block, so at that time we can use effect. So at here I run okay. Now at here I just simple call use state use effect, which I already did, and inside that API fetch I call this from WordPress API fetch, and inside use effect I run. I added API fetch method which I imported from here, and inside that I use ES6 then promise method at here, and and now I get data inside set post, and now use that data. Now you use that data inside at here latest post, and with ES6 map method, sorry, JavaScript map method, I use that thing. So now I npm run build again. Now at here you can see two post is there, and now if we add multiple posts, then it will show at here. Now now at what time we should use these this use effect hook. So we should add use effect hook whenever like API call etc. So at that time we should use use effect. And now for example at here we run like now if we want to add more option, like we want to change, and now it is showing only two at here you can see it is static 5, so you can pass post per page at here, and you can pass post per page from sidebar, then you can change according to your requirement. So so that whenever your per page change, so it is now pass dependency at here, and you can get like now this use effect again call, and according to your change it will reflect, and it will give post at here, and now you can get data. So comment so please comment below how can you achieve this which I explained. So if you did in your editor, then please comment your GitHub or Git file so that I can check. And that's it guys, and if this video helpful and if this video help you understand use effect in Gutenberg block, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. See you in next video. Thank you.